Hi, let's begin with the introduction. Here's the first chord, and you will have the D sharp major composed of the D sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. Then, the G minor composed of the D, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of G. Then, the C minor composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G, and the bass note of C. And eventually, the A sharp major composed of the D, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. And I will first teach you how to press these chords and play in the second bass on the offbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So on 1, bass and chord. On 2, you play nothing. On 3, you play the chord alone. On 4, you play nothing. And on the end, that symbolizes the offbeat, you will play that bass note again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. And if that's too hard, you can also play that second bass on the fourth beat like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you play this chart twice for the introduction, and then you move on to the verse using that same chart. When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, or you play that second bass on the offbeat. When you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse. Play this chart 4 times, and you will need to play it the same way another 4 times to finish the verse. But you could also play these chords using arpeggios. So here's a readapted chart, and this time you will play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do this on every chord. When the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. When the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? And you now reach the chorus, and you will need a new chart for that section. And you will have a new chord, the G sharp major composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G sharp, and the bass note of G sharp, that you can also play here if you want to. And I suggest that we go back to the first method, for there will be a little twist here. The D sharp major is going to be played on the 3, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you replay. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. And here's a readapted chart for the arpeggio if you want to play like that. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. And at that moment, you will replay the verse chart twice before moving on to the second verse, knowing that the second verse is also shorter than the first one, so instead of playing the chart 8 times, you will play it only 4 times. You will then move on to the second chorus, which you will play exactly like the first one. And following the second chorus, you will have an interlude with the guitar solo, and the chord order is gonna change. So here's the new chart, and I suggest that you press these chords again, even though you're the only one deciding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you replay this chart one more time, so twice without the lyric. And for those who would be interested in the notes composed in the guitar solo, here's the chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just let me warn you, it hurts. So you will play this chart twice to complete this section, and then you move on directly to the bridge with this slightly different chart along with the singing. Tears stream down your face when you lose something you cannot replace. Tears stream down your face, and you will replay this chart one last time, playing the G minor this time. And now you reach the final chorus. Here's the last chart of this song, and let's finish. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. I wish you good luck for this one, and I will see you very soon in the next one.